Ate Minda, it's your birthday today, and I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Happy, happy birthday to you. Alam mo na ikaw yung paborito ko, and ang dami mong ginawa sa akin. You took care of me. Isa doon is nung nasa elementary ako, binili mo ako ng sapatos bago ako nagpunta ng field trip. Another one is yung nung nasa high school ako, ikaw yung bumili ng aking attire para maging cadet sponsor. And most especially, nung nagkasakit ako, binantayan mo ako sa hospital habang nandun ako for a week. Hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Mahal kita. And I wish you the best and good health. I love you.